In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a Fortinet serial number. Whether you're opening a support case, verifying warranty, or documenting inventory, knowing exactly where to find the serial number saves time and avoids mistakes. We'll use the FortiGate Cloud Portal, which gives you a consolidated view of your appliances and their current status. Start by opening your browser and going to the FortiGate Cloud homepage. This landing page is the central hub for device management in the cloud. If you manage more than one environment, confirm you're viewing the right account so the correct devices appear on the page. Next, head to Dashboard. The dashboard collects high-level information about your devices and services in one place, making it a fast route to the details you need. From here, choose Status. The status view drills down into device information and health, showing what's active and key identifiers you can reference. On this screen, you'll see your active FortiGate device listed. Look for the device details area or the device table. In the same row or panel where you see the device name and model, you'll also see its serial number. It may be labeled serial number or SN, and it appears as a sequence of letters and numbers. If you manage many appliances, use the search field or quick filters on the page to narrow the list so you're certain you're viewing the correct unit. Cross-check the host name and model to ensure you capture the serial number for the right device. When you note the serial number, record it exactly as shown, including any uppercase letters, and store it securely. Avoid sharing it publicly. Treat it like other device identifiers that should only be provided to trusted support channels. If the number doesn't appear, try refreshing the page and make sure the device is active and reporting to the portal. And that's it. By going to the FortiGate Cloud homepage, opening Dashboard, and viewing status, you can quickly locate the serial number for your active device whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you document and support your FortiGate equipment with confidence.